Okay, we're going to start off with we're going to look today at how to export an exam view file into mccsctechimportexam. We start off with our test. This is our exam view test. And I go up here to File, and I'm going to export this as a Blackboard 7.1. That's the standard that these take. And I'm saving this to my desktop for right now. And I'm going to call this simply test. I have to give it a name. And I have to name it again, test. And I have to give it a directory name, all the same name. And now that I've got that, I've got a file called test right here that I'll be using. It's a zipped file. Now I go into my big campus. I'm going to go down to Drive. It's a little different. Normally you go to schoolwork, but for this purpose we're going to go to Drive because we have to import this in. And under New, I'm going to import an exam view test. So I click on that. It wants me to browse, and I'm going to browse the desktop, find the file called test. Here it is. Open that. Very good. Schoolwork is what I want, and I'm going to now import that file. And so it's telling me that it's importing, and it says it's now there. Now I can edit the imported assignment if I want. Part of that editing is possibly to create a name like exam view file 1, or social studies test, or biology 2, whatever we want to call it. And so I have that, and I can go ahead and continue. You can see that my questions and my pictures come along with it. And my next step when I continue is I can now assign this if I want, or go back and find this as a test in my drive. It'll be kept in my drive, so I go to my drive to see my test. So this is how you import an exam view file.